Tell me why we getting owned by the businesses, and why no one even minds the fucking business in the business. Man, I tell you, can I get the witness? I feel like 24-hour fitness. I'm always on it, I be lifting, and I'm always doing something that is active. Let these niggas know that, man, we gotta ignore the distractions and get on it. Like comment on that vomit. I done said that in some other tracks, but let you know I want it to sink in until you see it when you're blinking. Start to manifest anything that you want by thinking. It's crazy though. They want your mind slow. They want you acting similar to a caveman, bro. They don't want you to know that, man, you're something special though. And man, I guess you gotta hit the flow just to get the low. Raining on the inside of life. Raining on the inside. Raining all day. Raining for life. Rain, rain, go away. I don't really wanna deal with you today. Man, it's okay, but sometimes it's not, and sometimes it's tolerable, and sometimes it's a lot. Man.